How to deposit checks on the Wells Fargo. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here is a process by which you can deposit on the Wells Fargo. First of all, you can download the mobile application and then sign in into your account. Once that is done, you will have to select on the deposit, which is on the bottom bar, or you can check or use the deposit check shortcut. Once that this is done, the next step is to select the amount. Select the amount from the drop down menu. If you have set up default account, it will already be pre-selected. If you want to create or change the default account, you can go to deposit to drop down and select the account that you want to make the changes to. Next up, you will have to enter the check amount. Your account's remaining daily and 30-day mobile deposit limit will also display on the screen. Make sure the amount entered matches the amount on your check. After that, you have to take the photos of both of the check, that is front and back side of the check. Once that is done, you can deposit the check and you'll get an on-screen confirmation and email letting you know you have received your deposit. But make sure to write mobile deposit and the date on the front of the check. You should keep the check secure for at least 5 days before tearing it up. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.